Is it true that mudjacking requires large holes to be drilled into my concrete?
Yes, mudjacking requires very large holes being drilled in your concrete, holes large enough for this pipe to fit down through. And it's not just one hole. Typically, mudjacking requires many holes to raise your concrete. A lot of the work that we do is we're raising concrete that had been mudjacked previously. And a lot of the comments we get from these customers is that they regretted ever having their concrete mudjacked to begin with. Not just because it dropped again, but because of how badly these large holes deface the concrete and just make it look horrible. Our smart lift system utilizing polyurethane is completely different. We drill fewer holes and very small holes. All we have to do is drill a hole large enough for this little port to fit down through. And once we patch these holes, they blend in nicely. You can hardly even tell we're ever there, except for the fact that your concrete is, of course, raised and leveled.